Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram not working. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and lastly here you're going to find your profile section. So basically, guys, if Instagram is not opening or not working properly, first of all, check your internet connection. If you already have a good internet connection, then we will try to clear the cache. First of all, go ahead and leave Instagram, close it, and then go to settings on your phone. Once you're here in the settings, go ahead and search for apps or applications. And then once you find apps, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the list that includes all of your installed apps on this device. So right now, scroll a little bit down until you find Instagram. Go ahead and click on Instagram. And then right here in this page, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to this application. So right now, go ahead and click on storage. And then once you click on storage, right here in the bottom, as you can see, guys, you're going to find two options: clear data and also clear cache. So right now, go ahead and click on clear cache. And then once you click on clear cache, go ahead and leave settings and then search or open Instagram again. And then Instagram should be working properly. So this is it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.